Chapter 3: Citizenship. Citizenship is the legal right that entitles a person to belong to a particular country or state. Ways in which a person may become a Kenyan citizen. Number 1, by birth. Anyone born in Kenya or outside Kenya by Kenyan parents. 2, by descent. Anyone born of a Kenyan father and foreign mother. 3, by registration. This is acquired through application by any of the following persons: a woman married to a Kenyan citizen, or a citizen of a Commonwealth country who is over 21 years of age and living in Kenya. And number 4, by naturalization. The following conditions must be met by the applicant: must be over 21 years of age, must have been a lawful resident of Kenya for not less than 4 years, must certify the minister in charge that he or she is of good conduct, must have adequate knowledge of Kiswahili, Kenya's national language, must certify that he or she will remain in Kenya after naturalization. Circumstances under which citizenship may be deprived: disloyalty to the government through speech or actions, leakage of Kenyan secrets to enemy forces in the event of war, absence from Kenya for a period of 7 or more years without official permission or registration with the Kenyan embassy in the country of residence. If the Kenyan government discovers that the citizenship was unlawfully obtained, for example, through corruption or fraud. If one has dual citizenship and does not renounce the citizenship of the second country. If one is imprisoned for 12 months or more within the first years after registration. Rights and responsibilities of a Kenyan citizen. So we'll start with the rights of a citizen of Kenya. Right to life, freedom of expression, freedom of association and assembly, freedom of movement, freedom of worship and conscience, freedom of slavery, right to liberty, right to protection of the law, right to protection from discrimination, right to protection from inhuman treatment or torture, right to own property, freedom from arbitrary search and entry, right to receive government services. Responsibilities of a Kenyan citizen. Remember, we have personal responsibilities and civic responsibilities. And when you're talking about personal responsibilities, we are talking about responsibilities to the self, that is to the person and the family. While civic responsibilities are the responsibilities to the nation. And the civic responsibilities are, that is, the civic responsibilities of a Kenyan citizen are obeying the laws of the land, exercising tolerance, paying taxes, participating in democratic process, participating in community activities, positive use of political freedom, gender sensitivity, non-discrimination, environmental conservation, good health practices, promoting rule of law, taking part to help in disasters, fighting corruption, promoting high moral behavior. Elements of a good citizenship: loyalty, patriotism, obedience, justice, respect, and cooperation.